Hello, welcome back. I decided to focus a little bit more on long form content again, and for today I tried these two DIY kits from Action. This is a plaster box and these are shrink plastic keychains. If you don't know what shrink plastic is, basically you can paint whatever you want on it, and if you put it in the oven it shrinks down to like a third of its size, and it also becomes a little bit thicker. So let's just begin.
Let's start with the shrink plastic, and this set comes with everything you need, even jump rings and some beads. In my short I posted about last week, I used the color pencils that come with it, but for this video I want to use different colors and therefore different beads as well. There are two more versions with different motifs and different color themes. One's blue and yellow with cars and houses, and the other one was more pink and purple with butterflies and flowers. Here you can see the before and after. What's not included in the set, what just I like to do, is to seal the side with the colored pencil with some gloss varnish, so it doesn't scrape off that easily. And while it all dried, I started with the second DIY kit. It's a plaster bowl and it comes with this cute shell mold. I already used it once because initially I wanted to make a shell with resin, but this would have taken too much of my resin, so I just made the bottom part and now I have a coaster. You just have to mix the powder with 125 milliliters of water, and then you can add your color as well. In the instructions it said 18 drops. Mixing it with the wooden stick that came with the set was almost impossible for me, so I used a spoon. You can find two more versions of this set with different molds. A rose and a heart-shaped rose. And the heart-shaped rose I bought a little bit later. I will post this as a short. It just took a few hours to dry. The instruction says 30 minutes to 4 hours, and I can confirm this. Removing the mold is the most satisfying part. Altogether it worked great and I love the result. Now I just picked some beads, and while I finish the keychains, let me know if you would like to see more of this type of action haul DIY videos. I know they also sell a lot of beads from time to time, so I could make some jewelry out of it and show some examples. I also enjoy trying out these DIY kits, so just let me know. Now back to the keychains. Sadly the yarn was a little bit too thick for the beads. With a very thin crochet hook it was possible to pull it through, but just one, so I had to tie them a little bit differently. But altogether I'm happy with how they turned out. This is what they look like. And that was it for today. See you next time.